Okay, well, guys, today we're going to be solving these guys' problems. Okay, so this lesson is about farmers who come across these problems. Okay, so the first one we'll be coming through is this guy over here who says pests such as insects keep eating my crop, meaning I don't have enough to sell. Okay, so pause this video and think about maybe some answers. And okay, so the answers to these are that to this is that he can use fertilizer. Yeah, he can use fertilizer, and he can try to grow more crops to increase his chance as well. Don't use organic farming. Could use the normal conditioned one. Okay, so moving on to the next question. My harvest keeps dying in the changing climate. Okay, so again, pause the video, think about the answer. Okay, so, I would say just, well, if you have the money, just grow in a dome, like, like a plain glass dome or something, or a, greenhouse, yeah, to have a greenhouse kind of effect on it, or to grow it in more preferable climates, if, well, obviously the person has preferable climates. Okay, so the next one. Some people won't buy my meat because I raise most of my animals indoors. Okay, so again, pause the video. Okay, so the answer for this will be that maybe he could try to raise his animals outdoors. Oh, that's because again, it's like the problem where you an A4 piece of paper is enough to fit 5 chickens. Yeah, it's basically like kind of animal abuse because they're indoor, they're not happy animals. They aren't, you don't allow them to roam free in the garden. They're just sitting there having the most boring life ever. Yeah, so that is kind of animal abuse. Even though you're gonna murder them for meat, still, good idea to keep them outdoors, get them happy, maybe, and they also have a bit more grass out here, so they might actually grow a few more pounds of meat for you to sell. Okay, so again, next question. Okay, my crop doesn't grow fast enough or well enough for me to make a profit. Okay, again, pause the video and okay. So the answer for this is that you could use fertilizers, or you could plant more crops, or this might be a really expensive solution, but if you have the money, just make a dome greenhouse with like a few floors, like one floor this, one floor this, and then it's glass everywhere, so each plant will get sunlight. Yeah, that's too expensive. Well, I mean, like he has a tractor and had that much land, so yeah. Okay, so this one, lots of fish and plants in the rivers by my fields are dying, and I don't know what I'm doing to cause it. Okay, a very big one. This one, a worldwide problem. So just again pause the video. Okay, so the answers for this is you're polluting um the pond by doing, forgot what it was called, but you're pretty much letting okay, so that's the pond. Yeah, I think, and then your nutrients are spilling into the pond. So basically what happens is that the pond gets filled with nutrients, so the algae use it to grow, use the nutrients in the water to grow, and then when they run out they all die, and then plants at the bottom producing oxygen, such as like seaweed, they they have no nutrients and they cannot reach sunlight because the algae is blocking them. So they just die out. So then the dead algae gets eaten by bacteria, and then the bacteria will produce out more energy, and then the cycle keeps on happening until there's eventually no oxygen in the water, which causes all marine life to die. So yeah, that's basically it. What if I try to find, yeah. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. It's it's been nice, and see you next time.